Linda in Lakewood, New Jersey asks, if I have three websites, is it a problem or is there a problem to cross-link websites? Well, three is not a lot of websites, but first I would ask yourself, are these websites really related in any kind of sense? Because if you've got one website that's about dry cleaners and one website that's about ancient art and one website that's about mobile phone reviews, it's going to look really weird if you get down to the bottom of the page and you're like, wait a second, I thought that I was looking at a cartoon site. Here I am looking at cartoons, and all of a second I browse to the bottom of the page and I'm looking at auto insurance and coffee tables. That has nothing whatsoever to do with this particular site. So I would ask yourself, how relevant is it? Three sites is not a lot, so it's probably not going to be a huge issue, but 30 sites or 300 sites is absolutely the sort of thing where your competitor or an average user who is landing on the page is going to be like, why are all these different sites cross-linking, and what do they really have to do with each other? Now, ideally, it might be something like a men's clothing page and a woman's clothing site and a children's clothing site. And if they're relevant, that's a perfect reason to link those three together. So if it's under the same corporate umbrella, or there's a good reason to do it, I don't think that it's any problem at all. And it is a relatively small number of websites to be linking. But bear in mind, as you grow, if you have a ton of links down at the bottom of your site, a lot of regular users will get turned off by that, and a lot of competitors will be like, well, why is this person cross-linking every single site? So a good rule of thumb is sort of ask a regular person off the street, and if they sort of look at it a little bit strangely, then you know that you've probably gone just a little bit too far.